Hello, everyone, and welcome again to today's lesson. We will be looking into how to discover tones in Yoruba. This will help you in how you speak the Yoruba language. This language is a tonem language. Tonem. Tonem means that tones, your pitch, when you raise your pitch or bringing it down, changes the meaning of a word. All right. For example, this WA could mean to come, or WA again could mean our or us. So you've got to be careful how you use these tones in the language. You understand? It helps you to differentiate. It shows the difference between words. So there are three tones in Yoruba. One goes up to your left, and it is the low tone. Okay, one doesn't have at all, doesn't have a sign, and another one goes up to the right, and it is the high tone. So I believe you can guess what the one at the middle is. Yes, of course. Speaking of which, it is called the middle tone or mid tone. All right, low, mid, high. So now I'm demonstrating it as I speak to you. Low, it is low, it is mid, and it is high. Don't forget, it helps you to show the different pitch that you have in the language, in Yoruba language. All right, so what letters in Yoruba language has this? What letters? The first set of letters are the vowel sounds. The vowel sounds or letters. Vowel sounds or letters. And you know them in English language. We have A, E, I, O, U. Now, in Yoruba language, basically, we have the seven pure vowels sounds. We have A, we call this A. We have A, we have E, okay, we have E, we have O, or O, sorry, not O. This is not British English, of course. This is Yoruba language. So O, we don't say O, we say O. Then we have O, and lastly we have U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, again we have A, E, I, O, and U. All right. So these tones come on these vowel letters. Not only that, we also have them on the nasal sound. So I would just say nasals. Okay. They are just and they're always, most of the time, alone, no vowel letters beside them. Now, for example, this means the ing words in English language. For example, going, but this comes first before the word go in Yoruba. In another video, I will be showing you how that happens. Okay, then we have again. This one, it comes before bilabials. What do I mean by bilabials? Like B, for example. So we can say mbo, because bo is to arrive. So mbo will be coming or arriving. Mumbo, I am coming. All right. So, but munlo, this is the that you use. Munlo, I am going. Mumbo, I am coming. So the letters are more or less the same, but the next letter shows what to use there. So lo, I am going. So this nasal sound and okay, hold on, and this nasal sound show take the tones that we have in Yoruba language. So having this in mind, then let us move on. So I will just show you three words. Same word, same spelling, but different tones, different pitch. Then we will see the difference between them. So we have the WA that I gave to you earlier, and this one is high because it's going up to your right. We have the one at the middle, okay, nothing on it, don't forget. And we have this one going low because it's pointing to your left. All right, so this one means come. All right, come, it's wa. Okay, wa is our or what, us, and wa means to be, to be, to be. Now if you're wondering what is to be verbs like is, was. Yes, we don't have a past tense for this to be. Muwa, I was. Yesterday, I was there. Muwa, nibe. Something like that. But don't worry, we will learn that some other time. Yes, singular, plural, it doesn't matter. Etc, where, was, and so on. So, this gives a difference. So, we have wa to come. It is high. So, wa. We have wa, it's at the middle. It's as if a robot is speaking. My name is Chichi Robot. You understand? So, and we have wa, it is low. It's the chest voice. You understand? So it's a chest voice. So, let me give you some exercises. Okay, let's say this word IGBA. IGBA. Now, I have this word as, if we should go for low, 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 how will it sound? Try it. Low, low. How will it sound? So okay, I'll come back to that in a moment. Let's have another IGBA. Okay, let's say middle tone, like a robot. You remember? How will it sound? How will it sound? I want you to try to say that. Then we'll come back to that. Okay? And we have another one, IGBA. Don't forget they have different meanings. Tonym, that is, tone shows different meanings. Okay? Now this one, let me say mid and high. Mid and high. So how will it sound? The IGBA for this one, how will it sound? So now I don't want to go so much. We still have other IGBAs and what it means, different word, but I don't want it to be complex for you. Now, this low, low, how did you pronounce that? This low, low, how do you pronounce that? Okay, try it again. Okay, so it's E. Ba, it is low, and it is low. E, ba, low, low. Okay, what about the middle one? It sounds like a robot, so I want you to mimic that when, I mean, this, what I'm trying to say. IGBA again. Oh, that's good. Igba, and don't forget, the middle tone doesn't have a sign on it, so we move on to the next one. So whenever you see a letter, if some are marked with tones and some are not, the ones that are not are the middle tones. You get that? Okay, so we have another one, mid and high. Mid is at the middle, then high, that's to go up. Okay, so the middle one, no tone on it, right? So I'm not writing it. So pronounce this once again. Mid, high. Oh, that's good. Igba, igba. So, lastly, I told you that they have different meanings. So, what do they mean? What do they mean? How do we differentiate between these words? Since we now have the tones on them, then the difference is clear for a native speaker, a native Yoruba speaker. So, low, low, igba. So, that is talking about time. Igba is a time. Then, igba, mid. So that one is talking about 200. Igba is 200, is a number in Yoruba language, and it means 200. Okay, Igba, Igba. Okay, if you have Igba, it's a container. I can call it a container. Container that, you get things in, mostly liquid. Okay, container. All right. Liquid, you can call it a bucket, you can call it a jar, or something that you can use to get water and so on. It's a local one that we use, but now we now have igba for modern word, like a bucket, we can call it igba, and so on. So I hope this is very clear to you. I believe that you understand this. Please follow us more to get more amazing videos. Now, if you find this a bit difficult, just watch it again and again. What is difficult most of the time gets easier when we repeat them, when we watch them again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with whoever is having a confusion on these tones and intonation. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.